Welcome. Thank you for joining me today for this mindful practice. During meditation practice, the mind can grow dull or sleepy. In this short practice, you will examine a few ways to bring energy and alertness to your mind. You can incorporate these methods into your other practices, inviting clarity into your meditation. Allow the eyes to close and find a comfortable meditation posture. Begin by tuning in to the experience of the body breathing. Rest with each inhale and exhale as you feel the movement in the body. To energize the mind, you will start with the breath. With the inhalation, breathe in a sense of energy and awareness. Reach the body upward, straighten the spine, and open the chest. With the exhale, let go of sleepiness and distraction. After a minute or two, allow the eyes to open. Letting light in can help us stay awake and clear. Continue practicing with the breath and notice any sights that grab your attention. Allow a few minutes to pass. and stand up. With your eyes open, standing on your feet, you are inviting increased alertness into your practice. It's much harder to fall asleep standing up than sitting down. As you complete this exercise, take a moment to shake out your body and get some energy moving. Feel the warmth in your muscles as you move and go back to your day.